welcome to Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to teach you a short, quick, powerful Pilates mat class. So I teach a lot of yoga, but for those of you who don't know, I'm also certified to teach Pilates. So this class is designed for a full body workout when you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to work all the muscles. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So we're gonna start sitting down on the mat, and we're just gonna start with some seated cat-cows, planting the feet. Inhale, shoulders back and down, arch the spine. Exhale, lean back, rounding the spine. Just a couple more. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Good. This time, inhale, sit up tall, arms up. Exhale, slowly curl the spine all the way down. So now we're going to practice the 100. So bring your legs up to tabletop. So your legs should be at a 90-degree angle, squeezing the thighs together. And then we're going to pump the arms up and down. Now, if you're a beginner, maybe stay here. If you really want that strong core work, lift the shoulders, lift the head, knit in the ribs. So you're drawing your ribs towards your hips as you pump the arms. Now, option 3 is to straighten the legs at a 45-degree angle. And we're going to inhale to 5 and exhale to 5 10 times as we pump the arms. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Draw your knees to your chest. Now we're just going to bring our feet wide, and we're going to rotate the knees side to side and rotate the head side to side. Take a couple breaths here. Great. So now we're going to practice bridges. So plant your feet hip width apart, shoulders back and down. Inhale, push all 4 corners of the feet into the mat. Lift the hips as you reach your arms up overhead, and then exhale, lower. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to leave the hips up, and we're going to pulse the hips up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now we're going to roll onto our left side, and you can cradle your head with your hands. Bring our legs at a 90-degree angle, and you can take your fingers and just lightly press them into the mat. So now we're going to inhale, open that right leg. Exhale, close, clamshell for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to inhale, knees together. Exhale, toes together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to inhale, knees together. Exhale, shoot that right leg back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and and 1. Good. Press yourself up. Swing the legs around. Same thing on the other side. So you can cradle your head with your right hand. Legs at a 90-degree angle. And inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, lower for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, knees together. Exhale, toes together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, knees together. Exhale, shoot that left leg straight back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. All right, so next we're gonna come to tabletop. And then from here, we're gonna inhale, tap the forearms down, bending the elbows at a 90-degree angle. Exhale, press our palms into the mat. Inhale, elbows tap the mat. Exhale, push up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now walk your hands a couple of handprints forward and sink the hips. So you're in assisted plank. Inhale, elbows to ribs, lower halfway. One shoulder's lined with elbows. Exhale, push up. Now, we're going to try 10 of these. If it's accessible, float the knees and regular plank. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and then drop the knees if you need. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now press yourself up to plank. Lift the hips, lower the heels, downward dog. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Walk your hands back towards your toes. Now we're going to bring our toes out and our heels in. And we're going to inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips to a squat. Arms up. Exhale, straighten the legs. Walk your hands to plank. And then we're going to do a mountain climber. Right knee to chest, left knee to chest. Okay. So we're going to inhale, walk our hands to our feet. Toes out, heels in. Sink the hips. Exhale, walk your hands to plank. Mountain climber, mountain climber. Inhale, walk back. Toes out, heels in. Sink the hips. Exhale, walk your hands to plank. Mountain climber, mountain climber. Let's do a few more. You can find your own rhythm, your own pace with this. So this is how you get a full body workout in a short amount of time. We're working all the muscles here. The lower body, the upper body, and the core. So keep going. Do the best you can. Make sure you're breathing. Every time you draw your knees to your chest, think of drawing the navel to the spine. Just do a few more rounds. All right, now we're just gonna do squats. So we're gonna inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips, hands up. Exhale, straighten the legs, press the palms back. Maybe lift the heels. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, And 1. Well done. So that is my very quick, powerful Pilates challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a great way to work all the muscles, get some cardio, strengthening, and mobility training in a very short amount of time. Please comment below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and I'd be happy to get back with you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. Stay healthy out there. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.